Dropping out fats contest 4 weeks out. Oh, okay. So basically dropping out fats. So yeah, I've heard of this before where people completely drop all their fats. No, I think that's a bad idea. Number one, you need fats because your body really maximizes your body's ability to produce its natural hormones. But you also, when your carbs tend to come down, your body needs a little bit of fat for that fuel because it's not going to be optimized in regards to fuel with your own body fat. So what you need to do is you need to be able to, just like your carb cycle, I fat cycle. And so sometimes it'll be a little bit higher and then you'll bring it down. And again, what are we using? We're using a little bit of red meat. So you're doing steak, you're doing avocado, we're doing salmon. And if you're doing a ton of that, obviously you're going to be at a high calorie surplus and you won't get lean. But if you pull it all out too, it can really make your body go away. So you want to try to minimize how much fat you're taking out. And then what you do is you adjust depending on what the mirror is telling you. And so as you start to lean out, you can start backing off. But if you go from, hey, I'm doing 2 or 3, let's say some like a red meat meal, some avocado or salmon, and then all the way to 0 at 4 weeks out, it's going to not be conducive of a good result. So I would do things in smaller stages, incrementally, and taper. And instead of doing it's 4 weeks out, I got to cut out all my fats.